Oh, was the bride that carries the bunch o' thistles blinter and white? Her cuckold bridegroom little dreads what he shall ken this nicht. For closer than good man can come, and closer to than ourself, what did na need our maiden heed, has wrought his purpose fell. Oh, wha's been here afore me, lass, and who did he get in? A man that deed or I was born, this evil thing has done. And left as it were on a corpse your maiden heed to me. Nay, lass, good man, sin time began, had ony mair to gie. But I can gie ye kindness, lad, and a pair o' willing hands, and ye shall hae my breeze like stars, my limbs like willow wands, and on my lips ye'll heed nae mair, and in my hair forget the seed o' all the men that in my virgin